All right, here we got Caesar, and I know he was talking to Camacho because Camacho went the wrong direction, and you made a comment about messing up our average speed. So
Yeah.
what's your average speed? Are we good? Are
Right
we on?
now, it's at 32.6 kilometers. That's about 20 miles an hour. 20.1 or 2
That's
miles
that's
per hour.
that's not bad.
Yeah.
I think we made it up on the way back on Cienega.
Yeah.
So Camacho made the wrong turn, which forced us to have to push a little
Yeah,
harder.
but
Right?
it's always a good motivator just to push yourself and make up for stuff. But it's all
Exactly,
good. It's
exactly,
part of the ride. It's part of the adventure.
exactly.
Yeah,
Hey,
for
thanks
sure.
for the coffee too, by the
Yeah,
way.
of course.
All right, guys,
Camacho, yeah.
we ride, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
you're right.